Revu slides seamlessly into your existing workflows, helping you access and share critical project information more efficiently, and complete your projects faster. The interface is streamlined to help you get to the tools you need faster, provide the most room for your users to work with their documents, and boost your productivity. Take a look at the features of the UI that make this possible. Your documents will appear in the main workspace, which is designed to let you see as much of your document as possible. Here, you can add markups to your document, zoom in and out, and access functions like splitting your view and web tabs to allow you flexibility in creating a space that fits your needs. The menu allows you to choose from the many different functions Revu offers to make changes to your documents. Each menu heading features a number of related functions and tools that let you edit documents, add to them, or process them to suit your needs. Panels allow you to go deeper into specific functions you might need in your workflows, providing all of the necessary options and tools to carry out specific actions, rather than activating individual tools. They are available in panel access on the left side of the screen. This includes accessing files, changing options, making all of your major tools available, or even accessing all of Studio. The panels all have a main menu indicated by the name of the panel that lets you take additional actions. The tool chest, one of the panels, allows you to have the tools that you use the most often available to you in the most convenient way. You can add your own specific tool sets, or use ones provided by Bluebeam, activating or dragging the markups onto your page during your workflows. It even saves recently used tools that you can refer back to later in the process. Save new tools you've created, assign them actions, use them in a sequence, and add or hide tool sets as needed. The Properties toolbar shows the properties of the selected markup on the page, and allows you to quickly access and edit the most important properties without having to open any extra tabs or menus. The Markups list records all markups that are added to your documents, as well as the properties of those markups. You can see up to 30 preset data types using columns in this list, or even create your own. The Markups list is searchable, customizable, and lets you communicate with other users about markups, whether through replies to markups or setting statuses that reflect the markup situation. All of this data can then be exported and shared with other users or manipulated further outside of Revu. The Studio panel allows you to access the functions of Studio, sessions, and projects. In the panel, you'll be able to manage documents in multiple projects, access your session documents, record, and notifications, and send drawings and documents to the people in the field who need them. The navigation bar offers quick access to a number of useful functions and data points. It allows you to quickly split your views to show different views of a document or pages, and whether to display the PDF in single page or scrollable page view. You'll also see selection and viewing options like zoom and pan. There are page navigation options next to that, including jump to first and last pages, as well as back and next.